Guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna talk about strawberry companion plants. And these are the strawberries I have grown. I'm gonna grow with spinach and garlic. But what are the strawberry companion plants? Rosemary, lettuce, garlic, leeks, asparagus, onions, salad onions, chives, shallots, escarole, spinach, garden peas, tarragon, broad beans, chickpeas, lavender, basil, oregano, cucumber, red chicory, sage, thyme, green beans. And now I'm gonna water. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!